Hey everyone, PAC-PREZ here, and I do want to spend a little bit of time doing something that seems a little crazy, explaining to you how to open up a padlock. Now, these GFSP padlocks are unique in that they have a cylinder technology that is really, really good at resisting elements, right? Snow, sleet, rain. They can sit out on that gate for a long time, and when you come to unlock it, the cylinder's got some unique properties about it that most typical padlocks that you've worked with or used don't really have. As in, this doesn't have pins, it doesn't have springs inside of the cylinder. It has discs that turn, and as these discs turn and as you use it, they in essence do a self-wiping, which cleans off any debris. Right, so if you've got a GFSP, you've looked at the key and you've said, that's pretty crazy. The technology is based on a company called Alloy, right? But this key gives you over 2 billion key combinations, but more importantly, is a very environmentally tough cylinder. What I want to show you how to use it today is, hey PAC-PREZ, I'm breaking my key in the padlock. We get calls like that from units. Most of the time what we explain to the units is, if you have the right key, there should be almost no resistance, not only as you insert the key into the padlock, but as you go to turn it to then unlock it. There should be almost no resistance. As you can see, as I'm turning this, there's almost no resistance. Now, on these styles of keys and cylinders, this rotating disc cylinder technology, what happens is as you're inserting your key, and your first turn of 90 degrees is aligning the discs. And if you have the right key, it gets aligned properly to allow a locking bar to recess to create a shear line. And once you've done that after your first 90, if you've got the right key, now you can rotate the second 90 degrees for a full 180 that then unlocks the ball bearings and lets the padlock unlock. If you have the wrong key, and the easiest way to simulate that is I put the key in halfway, like I've done here, I can rotate that 90 degrees. See how I'm rotating 90 degrees? I'm rotating 90 degrees because the key is trying to align the discs to allow the locking bar to hit a shear line. But because I have not fully seated the key into the padlock, some of my discs are not being aligned properly. Technically, probably all of the discs aren't aligning properly, which means this padlock is not going to open, and I can feel it. I can't open the padlock. No matter how hard I turn, I'm not going to open this padlock. And the reason is because I don't have the key fully seated. With the key fully seated, I can then very easily turn the key and get the padlock to open. So, this is all about knowing how to use your equipment, and I trust all my warfighters out there after watching this video will know how to use their GFSP in a way that when you put that key in, get it all the way down, seated, rotate, and then you've got it open. All right? If that doesn't happen for you, and you put that key in, and you rotate 90 degrees and it stops, one of two things are happening. Either your key isn't in all the way, or you have the wrong key. Either way, don't try and force it. If you do, you're gonna break that key, and then you're gonna have issues either trying to get this padlock to work again, or just getting into wherever you're trying to go. So that's your tip of the day on how to use a GFSP properly.